All right, little update on the FD rx7. I haven't worked on this for quite some time, so not too much to update, but definitely some things are progressing. The stock twin turbos are off. That was a big one. The lower intake manifold is off. Finally, hallelujah. And I had to take the stock coil packs out to get to the and also the alternator and all the brackets to get to the rat's nest, to take all that clutter out. So it's really refreshing to see like the bare block, and also just to see the core of the engine. You know, that used to be covered with like 100 billion vacuum lines and solenoids, which I still have to get rid of. So yeah, it's definitely overwhelming. I was thinking about taking it to shop just to get things done, but I'm just trying to do what I can, you know, little by little, inch by inch, just to make some progress, and which I am. So it's very good to see that happening. So hopefully, as I can continue to make progress and you know, be able to strap this bad boy HKS t51r turbo on and start putting stuff together and one day get the car up and running. All right, anyway, just want to show the update and catch you on the next one. Thanks.